In 2026, demand for customized planners keeps growing. For international buyers, China remains a strategic choice. Competitive cost structure, upgraded design to production capability for small runs, and proven export logistics coordination to hit seasonal launches. Part 1. Your 5 evaluation criteria. 1. Design to production. In-house design plus rapid sampling plus flexible tooling to connect concept finished goods. 2. MOQ flexibility. Small run pilots and channel split orders. 3. Certifications and compliance. ISO 9001, FSC, BSCI, CPSIA, Pharma as required. 4. Export. Experience. Fluency with US, EU packaging, barcodes, shipping marks, pallet patterns. 5. Female consumer insight. Wellness, planning, family balance, layouts, and aesthetics. Part 2. Top 5 manufacturers. Line paper products. China plus Cambodia. 5 7-day sampling. ISO 9001, FSC, BSCI, CPSIA, SMETA, GSV, blended capacity. Strengths in case bound, coil, wellness planners, and gift bundles. Key markets: US, UK, DE, AU, MENA. Fit brands, retailers needing fast development plus compliant delivery. Ongyanghui, education, project scale, budget sensitive high volume. FSC, BSCI, CDEX. Artcool, Zhejiang, design forward, premium look and gift sets. ISO 9001, BSCI, FSC. Xinjoy Zhejiang, fast sampling, mid-scale. Pharma, ISO 9001, Walmart social audit, strong in wellness, fitness planners and stickers, friendly to small mid-orders and Amazon specs. MCRL Overseas Group, NA Connecti, sustainability and CSR focus. FSC, CPSIA, Prop 65, G7, Fit, cause-driven, enterprise gifting, non-profit buyers. Part 3. How to use the comparison sheet. Enter your required certifications, target sampling time, MOQ, and core market. The sheet will force a fast, evidence-based shortlist. Part 4. Collaboration tips that reduce rework. Lock specs early. The clearer the BOM layouts, the fewer sampling loops. Insist on physical samples rather than visuals only. Declare brand values, for example, sustainability, design principles, so vendors can mirror them. Audit when possible, or review third-party reports. Consider longer-term agreements for stability on planning and price. Building planners or journals need small runs and a fast launch. Comment on the pinned post with your market, channel, MOQ, required certifications. We'll reply with your sampling and quotation pass. 48-hour samples available. China plus Cambodia lines. FSC, ISO, REACH, CPSIA, compliant, predictable lead times.